spiritual levels. No dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe. Some come just to take up the space that we need.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Budget back again with another video as usual. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Also, y'all can be notified every time I post a video. Right now, I'm changing the coolant reservoir. Right now, I'm taking off the bolts that go onto the reservoir. They are 8mm hex socket that you need to take off those bolts. And right now, I'm using a vice grip or whatever you call it. I just know how to use the tools to get off the rubber hose on the top. It goes to the heater core. So that hose right now I'm pulling off, it goes to the heater core and it pushes the coolant into there when you're using the heater. So I'm pulling that off. And also, you make sure you want to pull it back. That's why I'm tapping on it. Make sure you pull it back and not taking it to whatever that shit is. Make sure you're not taking that off. Just pull it back.
So I finally got it off.
And now this is like the harder part to take that off, but I took it off without the camera.
Tank looks like this. Pretty much time to
It's a
replace
little
it.
harder, but this is the old coolant reservoir.
It got to a point to where I can't even see the how full it is or not. So it's so what is it? Like the coolant, the recommended coolant that come with this radiator, not radiator, reservoir tank. It pretty much after the sun gets a hold on it, it starts to overlay in the inside and make it look reddish, pinkish. So you can't even see the color range or the color or any type of where to feel at. You gotta actually, at least on mine, I gotta open the reservoir cap just to see where my level's at because it's too dyed in the inside. That color is just in there. So if your coolant tank, coolant reservoir looks like this, it's pretty much time to replace it. Oh, that's done. Coolant reservoir should look like this, to where you can see the color and where you can see the fill line at. On that one, you can even see the fill line. It looks like it's already full and it's already empty. So this is the one. I got it for like 50 bucks on eBay. Same reservoir, better reservoir cap. It's much more pressurized, much better reservoir cap, radiator cap. I'm gonna put this on real quick. So I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm gonna try to use it. It's in the house. I don't feel like going in there and get it, but I'm gonna try to put it back on for y'all. So you do want to start with the hose first.
So the volume's kind of low, but you do want to start with that bottom hose first. That is the hardest one that I experienced with. So you want to put that on first with the hose clamp. I do recommend getting some a different hose clamp that actually that you can use a flathead with. One of those. Go to AutoZone, right in the front that you can see a few hose clamps. They're like $2 or $3 for a hose clamp. I do not like those. I hate those hose clamps. But make sure you put the bolts back in at the top. Remember, an 8mm hex socket, and then once you put that in, put the heater core hose back on there. And you don't really need to replace that one. It's at the top. It's easy to get to. So make sure you pull that one forward, and then that's pretty much it.
Cut up a heathen, no blood on my boots. Can't call me Toby Joe, ate my roots. Still on the move, I got milk on my tooth. Still on the move. Stay in your place, but stay in your lane. I follow some elders that change up the game. Brothers be blind, they leaving the stain. Watch what you say, put respect on my name, put respect on my team. No angels got beams. Move like I lean in the spiritual ring. Find you a precept, I'm quicker than beam. Only 5'9", but spirit y'all mean. Pull up a chain and scream like here. Brothers be faking, little Judas is scared. And I keep a nice weapon unless it's a carry. Creep in the kingdom like the bear. Chairman's coming, chucking the news. Feeling like David, I'm feeling